Hello friends and Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Ideal Designing Developer. My name is Inshal Beg. I am a full stack developer and graphic designer. Like in previous project we have learned that how to build registration form with HTML and CSS and how to change the layout of that, and I hope you all enjoyed that project. Now in this project we will learn that how to change a website layout and how to change it into friendly version, and I hope you will also enjoy this project like you are enjoying my previous project of HTML and CSS. So let's start. Now here you can see that I have just here it is my website over here, you can see. Okay, so just if I show you, so over here I've just made it my personal portfolio. Okay, here you can see just my this in Shalbeg, and I am a blogger. Then here many things are changing by I have just used over here JavaScript. Okay, and here you can see I have just changing YouTuber, like many things it is doing. Okay, and here we have just having our button which is called hire me. Okay, so we will not make this website, I will just show you like how to print our website. Okay, if you want to, like if you have made it your website over here, and how to change its layout. Okay, so over here I will just show you my website how it is. So if I just press your about section, here you can see I have just having over here, and this button will take you to top. Okay, here you can see about, then over here this is my about me, then over here this is my services section which we are having beautiful hover effect over here, and over here I have also having my skills section. Okay, so come over here, and here you can see we are also having, I have just written HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, MySQL. Okay, many languages, and here we are also having our hover effect, and this is my teams. Okay, so over here I have just taken my pictures. Okay, so like that you can do, and over here I will just having my contact section also. Okay, here you can see which I have made it. Okay, so you can see how beautiful it is looking. Okay, I have just used many things in it. Okay, and it was just taking many time to make that, and here when you press that you will just go on to top. Okay, so I will just show you how to print your website. Okay, so I will just not print that, I will just show you the method that how to print that. Okay, print your website. So for that you have to just coding. Okay, you have to just do coding over here. Okay, so we will just only use CSS over here. Okay, so just we will only use CSS when we are just doing that. Okay, so I will just minimize that, and I will just go to my text editor. So over here I have just already taken the file which is called print.css, and over here you will be just asking like how to do CSS without HTML. Okay, so I will just show you how to do that. First of all, this is a main tag which I am just showing you. Over here you have to write media tag. Okay, which is really important to write media, and over here when you have written this media tag, then you have to just do like come over here and write enter. Okay, so here you can see when I have just pressed enter, so over here my enter is coming in this line. Okay, but it is not coming over here. Okay, so now if I show you, so here you can see it is again coming. So over here you have to just write a class like print. Okay, so I'm writing the class which I have just used in my this website. Okay, which I have used a class of this website. Okay, if you have just make your website and you have to just print it, so you have to just use the class which we have just used in our website which you have made. Okay, so if I show you, okay, so now here you can see just I have just used these classes over here. Okay, so with that class I have also used print class, so I can just print my website if I want to. Okay, so I will just do like I will press enter, and here I have to just style my print class, so it should be having print effect and we should print that. Okay, so over here first of all you have to write print menu. Okay, so how your print menu should be looking. Okay, if you just press Ctrl P, and how your print menu should be looking. Okay, so over here it should be looking like it should having a border. Okay, so over here you have to write it should having a border of, okay, so right over here border of 1 pixel solid, and it should having the color of like blue. Okay, so it should having the color of blue. So over here just erase this media tag because we have just already written this class, so we have to just not write it again. Okay, and over here I will just write like blue, and over here I will just write like that. Okay, and over here I will just write background of that should be, I want of like it should be of sky, deep sky blue. Okay, deep sky blue, and over here I also want like just come over here first of all write like that, and over here write margin 0 pixel, and over here I will also write one thing which is called padding, so I will write padding 0 pixel, and over here I will just write like background should be my of print. Okay, so I will just change it to white because I want just simple white color in my background. So I will just write this colon, okay, because it was not working. So I will just write the transition, okay. So I just want the transition over here also, okay. So transition should be of like 0.2s, and over here I have to also write like transform, okay. So I will write transform, and I will write over here rotate, okay. So here you have to write rotate, but now rotate should be 20 degrees, and over here I will just write like that. And animation I have to also write. So when I just press Ctrl B, so my print menu should be opened. So with the help of animation tag we will do that, okay. So I will just come over here, write 20s, and I will write over here like solid, okay. So I will not write this, I will write linear, and I will write infinite. So I will just write like that, and you have to just come over here, and now here you have to just write thing which is called like, now here we have to run. So here you have to write display of flags, okay, flags. And over here just come over here, write body tag, and in this body tag you have to write like display again flags, and over here you have to write justify content in center, and over here you have to write like margin should be 10 pixel, padding should be 13 pixel, and over here you have to write align items, okay. So it should be all in center, so I am just writing like it should be center. And I will also write the height, which I write like 100 vh, and over here I will also write I will just erase that, and I will just change it to semicolon, and I will just write over here the I will write over here min height, okay. So I will just change its min height 200 vh, then width, oh sorry, it should be min width, not width, and it should be also 200 vh. So I will just write like that, and I will just come over here, and now over here you have to write again justify content, but now it should be not in center, we have to just change it space around, okay. So I will write space around, then I will just come over here, write align item, it should be center, so I will only write center, and I will just do like that. So over here when you have done that all things, come over here, write border, and here I will write 1 pic solid, but now I want my border should be in white color, okay. And over here you can also write the border color if it is not coming, okay. So write over here like this color white, okay. So this is color code of white, like you all know. And come over here, use another class which is in your web site or web page, which you have to just take to print. So over here, right, I have just used another like skills, okay. So I have just using class of skills. So I will just do like, I will just come over here, and I will just write like display flags, and I will write over here flags wrap, okay. So I will write flags wrap or wrap. So I will just write like that, and over here I will just come and I will write over here again animation, and now it should be of 2s linear, and I will write infinite, and over here just like that. And now here you have to copy these things and just paste that over here, okay. And just when you have done that all, come over here, write justify justify content, now it should be space between, okay. So I will write a space between, so I will just write like that, and here write align items again, okay, which should be now in right, and just write like that, okay, over here. Now over here when you have done that all, just you have to do one thing, you have to just copy this transform rotate one, and you have to just copy these both things over here and just paste that over here. And now over here just save, okay. So just you have to just do these things, and now here you have to just do the last thing, which is called skills one, okay. So I have just made the class like that, and here you have to write before, first of all, not before over here, we will just write it secondly when we have just done. So come over here, write over here dot skills one, and write over here before, write control V, okay. So if I save, okay, here you can see now we have just done our coding which we have to do, okay. So just you have to do like, come minimize that, go to your website, okay. So now if I press control P, so first of all you have to just check in, so go to home one, just check in your inspect element, okay. So here we are having our, just to close that, so we are having our just these all classes over here, skills over here, then we are also having our classes of a print, but it is in that, so it is just not showing over here. So I will just, if I press control P, so now here you can see, okay. So I have just having these all things, okay. So I will just style like, I have also having my print button, but it is deep sky blue, but it is having the dark theme because I have just changed it into dark theme. If I show you here, you can see. So if I just change it to light theme, so it all should come which I want, okay. So here you can see, okay. So here you have to just stop, just you have to press control P when your website is just showing full, okay. So here you can see I have just not pressed it when my website was showing full. Okay, so now here it is just showing designer. So now if I press that, so just you have to wait till your loading preview is opening. Okay, so here you can see, okay, it is just coming like that. Okay, here you can see about me. Then it should be also having, if you are having web page, so it will be just looking like that. And if you are having your about me, so it will be just looking like that over here. These all things which I have just styled. Okay, these all things are coming in my website. Okay, so you can also change portrait to landscape if you want. Okay, so here you have to just wait because our loading preview over here. So just it will be now changed into, like over here you can see it is now changed into landscape. Okay, here you can see that. Okay, and looking really good over here. But we have to just do the settings. Okay, so you have to just now press the destination. Okay, so you have to just select printer which you have. Okay, so I have just only one printer which is called HP LaserJet Pro. Okay, so over here I will just print that from here. Okay, so I have just shown you the method if you just want to print your website with only CSS. Okay, so I hope you also enjoy this project, like you're enjoying all previous project of HTML and CSS. Okay, so just you have to practice these all project we are working with. Okay, like this project we have worked about print. Okay, how to get print for our website. Okay, so I hope you also enjoy this project, like you're enjoying my previous project of HTML and CSS. So I will just meet you in next project. So for today, goodbye.